If you don't want these cliffs to show up on your landscapes inside of UEFN, you can actually get rid of them. Now, this is a little bit of an involved process, so go ahead and follow along. The first thing that we need to understand is that we need to create a unique material instance and then actually manipulate that material instance. Go ahead and open up the content drawer, and down here inside of your Fortnite folder, you're going to look for your materials. Inside of materials, we're going to go into landscape, and this one right here is the one that we're going to go ahead and use. And I want to create a material instance of this so that we can actually control it. So I'm going to right click on it, go ahead and just choose create a material instance. It's going to ask me where I want to keep it. I'm going to put it in my own materials folder here inside of my project and go ahead and give it a new name, and then go ahead and just say save. Now we need to go ahead and apply it to the actual landscape here inside of the viewport. So let's go back into our materials folder that we just dropped our material into. Let's go ahead and just select this, and inside the viewport, let's go ahead and select the landscape. Over here on the right hand side, we're going to go ahead and override it by using our own landscape material. Go ahead and click there. And because this one is actually selected, when we go ahead and actually click on this little button that you see right here, it'll just pop it right in there. And hey, everything turns white. Now obviously I don't want white, and you can customize this to your heart's content. So let's talk about how to do that. Go ahead and open up the material instance that we just created. And inside of here, I'm going to just slide this off to the side. What we're looking for is a little section that says cliff right here. And you can see that, hey, this is actually off, but this one is turned on. So let's go ahead and do this and then do that. And then that goes ahead and gets rid of any of the cliffs. Now, if you want to go ahead and customize that cliff even further, you can actually add in the specific textures that you will need to customize that cliff face.